हेलो एवरीवन, आप सबका स्वागत है जी के ट्रिक्स चैनल पर। मैं हूँ सना और आज हम पढ़ेंगे फंडामेंटल राइट्स जो हर एक एग्ज़ाम में ज़रूर देखने को मिलती है, जैसे कि यूपीएससी, एसएससी एक्सेट्रा। अभी देखा गया तो 2020 यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स में भी एक क्वेश्चन फंडामेंटल राइट से आया है। अगर हम इसको तरो रहेंगे तो हम अच्छा स्कोर कर पाएंगे। अभी आपको मैं फंडामेंटल राइट्स बहुत ही सिंपल एंड फिगरेटिव वे में सिखाऊंगी, क्योंकि इमेज बेस्ड रीडिंग बहुत ही इफ़ेक्टिव रहती है। चलिए अब हम देखेंगे फंडामेंटल राइट्स क्या है। फंडामेंटल राइट्स आर enshrined in Part 3 of the Constitution from Articles 12 to 35। मौलिक अधिकार भारत के संविधान में भाग 3 और अनुच्छेद 12 से 35 में किया गया है। आर्टिकल 12 Article 12 gives the definition of a state. It defines the term state. Article 13 gives the power of judicial review to the courts. Right to equality. It consists of 4 articles from 14 to 18. Article 14 says that equality before law and equal protection of laws. Article 15 has 6 sub-articles. Article 15 says that prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth. Article 15 subclause 2. It says that no citizens shall be denied access to public places such as restaurants, wells, tanks, bathing hats, roads, shops, etc. Article 15 subclause 3. It confers the power on state to make special provision for welfare of women and children. Article 15 subclause 4. It empowers the state to provide by law special provision for advancement of EBC, BC, SC, ST. Article 15 subclause 5. It says special provisions can be provided to OBCs, SCs, STs for admission in private or aided and unaided institutions except minority institutions. Article 15 subclause 6. Under this article, special provisions can be provided to economically weaker section for admissions in higher education institutions. 16. Article 16. Equality of opportunities in matters of public employment. Article 16 has 6 sub-articles. Article 16 subclause 1 says that there will be equal opportunity in public employment to all its citizens. Article 16 clause 2 says that no citizen can be discriminated only on the grounds of race, religion, sex, place of birth, residence in providing public employment. Article 16 clause 3 says that Parliament can enact a law to provide reservations for locals in state government, in state or union territories. Article 16, subclause 4 says that reservations to OBCs, SCs, STs should be given in public employment. Article 16, subclause 4A says that reservations should be given to SCs, STs in promotions. Article 16, clause 4B says that 50% rule is not valid in case of backlog vacancies. Article 16, subclause 5. In the post of religious denominations, the people of that community should be recruited. Article 16, clause 6 says that reservation should be given to EWS in public employment. Article 17, abolition of untouchability and prohibition of its practice. यह क्वेश्चन 2020 प्रीलिम्स में आया है. आर्टिकल 18, abolition of titles except military and academic. Article 18 has 4 sub-articles. 18, clause 1. State shall not confer titles except military or academic distinction. 18, subclause 2. Citizens of India should not accept any titles from any foreign state. Article 18, subclause 3. It says a foreigner holding an office of profit under the government should not accept any title without the consent of President. Article 18, subclause 4. No citizen or foreigners holding any office of profit or a trust under the state is to accept any present, emolument or office from any foreign country without the consent of President. Thank you.